we are going to learn how to draw really good pictures for solving physics problems. So the first step is to read the problem. Once you've read the problem, which I assume you have done, we're going to go sentence by sentence and make sure that all of the information in each sentence is included in the drawing. So let's get to it. Adam is camping. Okay, here's Adam, and he is camping. He leaves his camp for an afternoon walk. Okay, he walks 1 mile eastward. Okay, so he's gonna walk 1 mile eastward, so I'm gonna need to go ahead and draw some axes here. I'm gonna have north, south, east, west, and Adam is going to walk 1 mile eastward. So I'm gonna label this first displacement A, and A is 1 mile. Notice I am labeling this with a name, with a variable A, and I'm telling you what that variable is here. This is going to make everything much easier to read at the end. If you label this with 1 mile, it just becomes really hard to figure out what's going on. Okay. He then turns left at a 45-degree angle. So Adam is facing that way. So he's going to turn left at a 45-degree angle. And then he walks for another 2 miles. So he's going to walk kind of like this. Let's go ahead and draw that 45-degree angle, and maybe that's 1 mile, maybe that's 2 miles roughly. This is the vector B, and this angle theta is 45 degrees, and B is 2 miles, right? And notice I tried hard to make this arrow be roughly twice as long as this one, right? So that the picture really reflects what's going on. I always want my picture to be as good as I can make it. I don't need to crank out a ruler or anything like that, but the picture is there to help me understand what's going on, and so I try to make the best picture I can. Okay, so he walked for another 2 miles. He's now here, and from there, Adam heads straight back to camp. So he goes over here, and he goes straight back to camp. So here's my vector. He goes straight back to camp, and I don't really know anything about C, right? Okay, and let's go ahead and call this angle here phi, right? Which I don't know what it is, but that is the direction that he is going to be coming from, is given by this angle phi, and that's one of the questions that is in the problem, right? Is what direction does he arrive from? So they're asking us what is this angle phi, so I'm labeling that angle that I'm going to want to find out. So there you go. This picture contains all of the information in the problem, and so this is going to be the basis of my solution, which we can look at in the next video.